again because we're doing the wrong way. Yanni do the wrong way.
Yeah, I restarted the video again. It was a really good video, but we restarted again. So today, for this video, challenge is eat food that was expired weeks ago, even years ago. So let's get started. First thing on the list are cheese balls.
Cheese balls.
She doesn't know what the name is. Cheese balls. So these expired like a month ago and still smell good. So we're about to try them.
Yeah.
No, get only one. It's good. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, I guess that was a 8. The after part, like, it wasn't really good, but I still taste it. Bruh. It still tastes good, but this is expired, so I'm throwing this away. I guess that's a Valentine.
Trying that.
Next thing on the list is the Laughing Cow creamy Swiss garlic and herb. So I already opened it. So I'm gonna try with one little spoon. Nope, didn't work. I don't know, you gonna try it?
No.
You have to.
No, it's really bad. It's
How you know? You
salty.
never tasted it. So I'm gonna taste it. Ready, set, and go. Oh my god! So that was disgusting. Refreshing. So that tasted like garlic, which I never tasted. Like, I smell the garlic, but at the same time I taste it, and it was disgusting.
Yeah, again. We saw again the video.
It was crazy. It was like the second time you taste it, it's just disgusting. Okay, kids, next time, if you see that, no, literally, if you see this video, don't try that, because that is disgusting. It is not even expired, but it is disgusting.
We didn't try chocolate.
Yeah, now we're going to try chocolate that was expired 2 years ago. So, the chocolate we're tasting is Kit Kat. Yeah, Kit Kat. The white one. So, I'm about to try that now. Try it?
No, not trying it.
Here. Try one. Ready, set, and go. This is good. This is really good. Kit Kat was a scale of 10. So here's the lemon. I'm gonna try it first though.
No.
No, it tastes good.
No.
Come on.
Bad.
Bro, come on.
No.
You're messing up all the challenges. I'm doing it all by myself. So she decided not to do it. So she failed me. Don't drink my juice. Bye, guys. Hope you like this video.
We gotta do another challenge like you did.